Hi everybody, welcome back to Arm Candy. This is a gorgeous little small Mulberry Darley and it is in this lovely soft grey leather and the interior you have a beautiful smooth kind of aubergine coloured leather which is gorgeous. We have a adjustable leather and chain strap, so you can have it like that with those shorter double straps, or you can pop it like that, and then you have a nice long crossbody strap option as well. We have a flap closure with, of course, that iconic classic Mulberry postman's lock, so I'll open it up and show you inside. So just underneath that flap closure we've got a little flap pocket, and then inside, again, that leather on the inside is so smooth, it's beautiful and shiny as well. And then we've got 3 card slots just at the back of there. So we've got 1, 2 and 3 card slots there. The condition of this one is excellent. It's just in a beautiful condition. I'll show you all around. There is no marks or anything like that for me to show you. No signs of wear. It's gorgeous. And again, I'll show you that lining on the inside because I'm just obsessed with that colour and how smooth that leather is. It really is beautiful. And again, that hardware, it's a lovely shiny gold tone and there's no scratches, no signs of wear for me to show you at all. It is beautiful. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got Mulberry dust bag, and then we also have the Mulberry paper bag as well. And inside that bag, I'll just open it up so you can have a look. So we've got that big Mulberry envelope, and then inside there, I've got a few bits. So we have Mulberry compliments card. So that just opens up like that. And then we also have another little Mulberry card envelope, and in there you've got the Mulberry care guide and then also the Mulberry product tag for this mini Darley as well. So if you wanted any exact measurements for this bag, you can go to the link in the description below. That's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you directly to this Darley on armcandybagco.com so that you can shop this bag and find loads more details on it. If it doesn't take you directly to this bag and it just takes you to our generic product page, you guys love Mulberry, so it's probably just sold really quickly. But if you are sad that you've missed out on this one, you can get on our request list. All you need to do is send us through an email or fill out the contact us form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag, we'll pop you on our request list, and then next time we get in one just like this, we will let you know through email and give you the link to shop, and then hopefully you can get in there nice and quickly next time. As I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you the size on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those shorter straps, you can pop it nicely on your shoulder, just like that. Or if you wanted to have the longer strap as well, you can put it over your body, crossbody like that. And it's just beautiful. I really love this colour, and the mini size is just perfect to fit in all of your essentials. Like, that's going to fit your phone, it's going to fit your purse, your mascara, your lipstick. It's just perfect, and it would make a gorgeous little day to evening bag. Yeah, very beautiful. If you wanted more details on this bag, again, go to the link in the description below. If you're a bag lover like we are, like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well, so you don't miss out on any beautiful bags that we have to show you. Sign up to our newsletter while you're on our website, and we'll send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. And also have a look at the How to Sell with Us page. So if you've got any bags that you'd like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, all the details you need to know about selling with us are on that page. So have a look on there, and we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.